All right, what's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to recap my long on GTEC. Made about 1.7K off this ticker, and probably my best single long trade that I've made. So I'm going to break down my thought process here. So I actually called this out in my watch list in the morning, and I actually bought this in the pre-market at around 3.4, and it was a very small size, but I was very bullish on this ticker because it had EV news. It was basically had a catalyst that was in a very hot sector. It also had a very low float, so I knew it could run if it got some volume, especially some chats started pumping it in the morning. But once it couldn't reclaim VWAP before the bell, I sold my position basically for break even, and I thought this was probably going to be done, but it immediately spiked. And one of the reasons why I don't hold into the bell is because it's a gamble. You don't know if a stock's going to spike or dump, and then your risk management gets out of control. So my thought process after that was to take a short position on this. So I shorted this at the pre-market high, or roughly the pre-market high. I wanted this to sort of fake out. That was the plan, as a lot of stocks had been doing. So I waited for this to test, and I got in on this candle here thinking that it was done. I took a 1/5 starter, added on this consolidation, expecting this to come right back down. Once I saw this holding, this is a pattern that you see quite often with stocks that squeeze. If you look at SPI, if you look at KODK, these huge squeezers, they'll consolidate and they'll start building volume here, and the shorts will start sweating. And I was sweating here, and I got out right here. I saw that this was not behaving like a normal gap up short setup, so I got out. As soon as I got out, it squeezed, and I took a long, actually, a very small position here. I still was 100% sure that I was going to squeeze. I took a small position here. I sold into these candles here, and then what gave me the conviction to go in with more size is when I saw this consolidation area here. We're knowing from a shorts perspective where the short sellers were trapped. I took advantage of their psychology, knowing that they would be covering because they want to break even, right? So think about it. You short at 5.3, you get squeezed $1.50 a share. You want to get out. As soon as this level tests, they're going to cover. It's going to cause buying volume. The chasers will start coming in. So I had a lot more conviction on this level. I sized in a little bit more, and I sold 1/3 of my position at 7.2, and I called this out in my chat. And then I sold the rest as we tested 9. I got out before 10, unfortunately, but roughly a 40% gain off this squeeze here, and quite predictable. I think I mentioned in the chat that this was a chart that looked like SPI. So it was very similar to SPI. Had consolidation in the afternoon, and then it squeezed. And it looks like it's going to dump here. It is a micro float. Hard to keep this up, but I mean, still up. It was up around 300 or 400% on the day. So a very nice trade. Probably my best long in terms of patience and recognizing where the other side is trapped. So if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment. If you're interested in joining my free chat room, check out the link in the description. I think that this ticker will cause some sympathy plays tomorrow, so the market should start picking up. It's been rather slow lately, but stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe to the channel, and like the video for more. Thank you guys for watching.